Today, the web is a definitive world north of. A mammoth trade of information unfolds on different servers, and the trading of data exclusively depends on the information introduced. In any case, on the off chance that the information source isn't certified or the information isn't put away fittingly, the whole world could come to a disaster. Similarly, the diversion areas, particularly sports and gaming, have gone through a change in perspective. On account of the appearance of blockchain that a huge number understood the innate capability of calculations and cryptography, and how this could be tackled to bring the diversion area to in a state of harmony, consolidating the standards of decentralized finance and blockchain. Chiliz extraordinary stage gives clients the honor of a wide range of science and innovation benefits mining them on a numerical calculation, particularly for the esports and gaming areas. Before we dive into the Chiliz cost expectation, let us view a portion of the remarkable elements of Chiliz. Chiliz, the specialized investigation. Chiliz was sent off in August 2019 and has been hyperactive from that point forward. Just in somewhere around 30 minutes of send-off, it had surfaced on the trade with insight about achieving the degree of 1 cent contrasted with its opponents like Bitcoin. In January 2020, it saw the most noteworthy heightening in cost to $0 a solitary Chiliz. Be that as it may, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to the mark of $0 of pandemic effect. The Chiliz cost spike that happened last year is connected to the declaration made by the Chiliz undertaking to put $60 million in the tokenization of media, brands, and retail. During the November 2020, Chiliz cost arrived at a lower 1 cent. Until January 2021, it just showed a peripheral recuperation. In any case, the exhibition of Chiliz in the year starting 2021 has been shockingly a gift for financial backers as the value shot to a degree of 3 cents by February 2021. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for CHZ USD on the cost front alongside volume. Starting from the start of spring, the cost of Chiliz reflected enormous development, and it denoted another unequaled high at the 89 cents mark. In any case, from that point forward, the token confronted slight rectification, however later, it held 40 cents cost level. In last April, the CHZ cost stamped enormous convention and contacted 75 cents yet later, it rectified down to 21 cents mark. Then, at that point, the cost of Chiliz went on till the start of August 2021. In September, the CHZ cost again raised a ruckus around town mark yet later, it confronted sharp decay and tumbled to 24 cents and went on sideways exchanging till the finish of October. From that point onward, it checked huge recuperation and in last November, it arrived at a high of 55 cents. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting 50 cents, according to negative signs, Chiliz has checked constant negative pattern and right now, it exchanges around 25 cents. Content for CHZ estimate referenced on the site. Content depends on our expectation of least cost, opposition level, most extreme cost, and different pointers. We demand you really do possess research recommending projected greatest cost, estimated value changes and least cost according to your assumptions for Chiliz gauge. Specialists say on Chiliz coin cost expectation uncovers the Chiliz crypto cost will be around 26 cents on December 2022. The hopeful gauge predicts an ascent of half with a future cost of 30 cents in a year and further going up to $1.56 in the following 5 years. As per Chiliz coin cost forecast specialists, an extraordinary opportunity to put resources into Chiliz as the cost might cross 79 cents in the following 1 year. Continuously and the normal most extreme cost might be around 73 cents which is plus 265% the ongoing cost. In January 2022 the cost began with 27 cents. According to Chiliz cost forecast 2022, Chiliz cost will be 24 cents before the year's over, with a hopeful pattern posing a potential threat in the forthcoming few years between 34 cents minus 50 cents. As indicated by Chiliz cost forecast specialists, toward the finish of 2025, the cost of Chiliz could exchange around the most extreme cost of 23 cents. Market Chiliz forecasts anticipate the base cost to be as low 20 cents by July. CHZ will be the pick and decision of gaming financial backers in the business sectors, particularly in light of the fact that it has gone the distance. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of dependability implanted in this cash. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies, conquering all obstacles. The Chiliz cryptographic money is said to hold a benchmark for its presentation later on, drawing in a significant games financial backer local area from the business sectors outperforming all assumptions in view of the most recent insight about computerized coins. The worth of obstruction level R1, R2, and R3 are 19 cents, 20 cents, and 20 cents, separately. At the hour of composing this specialized examination in Chiliz gauge, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 20 cents with an exchanging volume of CHC as $187,924,845 and the market cap of Chiliz is $1,079,375,366 with a circling supply of 5,344,064,580 CHC. The ongoing all-time high is 87 cents. CHC value expectation proposes that CHC could give a decent return by acquiring a sought-after position among the computerized coins, likely in the following 5 years. All the more critically, despite the fact that the new presentation of Chiliz cost estimated by CHC cost expectation has not soared on the trade ascending to magnificent. One unmistakable reality that arises here is that the cost of Chiliz is setting down deep roots. Increment. Fill in the market in full sprout according to beneath Chiliz cost forecasts. Chiliz value forecast 2023. CHC has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the CHC with begetting gain a lot greater cost degree of 51 cents as projected most extreme cost. On the off chance that the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush with the Chiliz cost figure with the coin cost could arrive at a level over the base cost of 24 cents. Our Chiliz value forecasts depend on momentary specialized investigation done by showcase specialists. Crypto market is viewed as unpredictable with high gamble included. Chiliz is entering a profoundly cutthroat and savage space, off-chain scaling. Given the posting on the regarded expectation stage, an evident cost flood in CHC USD can surely be anticipated. Chiliz value forecast 2024. There are many theories going ahead for CHC coin cost expectation, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and blasting areas of progress the corporate has plans on. There are suppositions in view of market cost expectations that the cost of Chiliz might arrive at a place of 42 cents. CHC conjecture predicts the greatest cost, least cost to be 50 cents and 30 cents individually. Before you choose to buy CHC, look for a well-qualified assessment to enhance your procedure choices assessing market cap, projected Chiliz cost, obstruction level, and so on to limit the dangers implied in this unstable market. Chiliz value forecast 2025. According to Chiliz cost forecast, on a drawn-out situation, the cost of Chiliz is set to quit slacking with other digital currencies to plainly show up at the very least cost of 70 cents and most extreme cost of 88 cents inside a couple of days of its entering 2025. CHC estimate depicts a stunning hopefulness anticipated for the CHC cost, chiefly because of its predictable exhibition throughout the long term. Click here to become more about long-haul digital currency figure. Chiliz value expectation 2026. Violating all limits over the 2026, it would without a doubt give indications of fortune for its financial backers. As per our Chiliz cost forecast, upheld by hearty brilliant agreements, Chiliz cost may handily cross its past all-time high of 89 cents. The most extreme value level of CHC crypto will be around $1.05 in 2026. The approaching 5 years is supposed to bring an increment. Is Chiliz a